In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers in PowerPoint. If you want your presentation to look more organized and professional, adding slide numbers is a simple but very useful feature. It helps your audience keep track of where they are in the presentation, and it also makes it easier for you to reference specific slides while presenting or editing. The good news is that PowerPoint makes this process quick and straightforward. To begin, open your PowerPoint presentation and look at the top of the screen for the main toolbar. From there, click on Insert. This tab contains different tools for adding elements to your slides, such as images, text boxes, charts, and also slide details like headers and footers. If you are new to PowerPoint, don't worry, everything is grouped clearly. So just take your time and focus on the options in the Insert section. Once you are in the Insert tab, look toward the right-hand side and click on the square red icon, sometimes shown as the footer option. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, the wording or icon style may look slightly different, but it will lead you to the same place. This opens the header and footer settings, where you can choose what extra information appears on your slides. When that window appears, click on Slide Number. This tells PowerPoint that you want numbers to appear on your presentation slides. In most cases, you'll see a checkbox next to this option, and selecting it activates the numbering feature. After that, you would typically confirm the settings so the numbers appear, but the key step here is making sure slide number is selected correctly. As a helpful tip, if you don't immediately see the numbers on your slides, check your slide layout or theme, since some designs place slide numbers in less obvious areas. You may also want to preview a few slides to make sure the numbering is showing where you expect it to. That's all it takes to add page numbers, or more accurately slide numbers, in PowerPoint. It's a small detail, but it can make a big difference in how polished and easy to navigate your presentation feels. Once you've done it once, it becomes a very fast part of your workflow every time you build a new slideshow.